Here on 87, I noticed that the common factor was x, and after I factored, I have 3x cubed minus 14x minus 4 left. So I typed it into my calculator. We'll hit the graph. It kind of looks like negative 2 is a 0, so I'm going to check that on the table, the second graph. The table confirms it, that is negative 2 comma 0, so I put negative 2 on the outside. 3 goes here. Remember, since there's no x squared term, to put in the 0. If you don't, you're not going to get it right. So drop the 3, multiply, add, multiply, add now, multiply one last time and get 0. So it leaves me with 3x squared minus 6x minus 2. I can try to factor it. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. But there is no numbers that multiply to make negative 6 and add to make negative 6 at the same time, so factoring doesn't work. Quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. And that's going to wind up giving me 6 plus or minus the square root of, second quit. So parentheses, I put a negative 6 in there to square it. Negative 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2, hit enter, and it gives me 60. Divided by 6. I can't simplify this expression because no perfect squares go into 60. Well, 4 does, but I can go 6 plus second square root 60, hit enter, divide by 6, hit enter, I get 2.29, 6 minus second square root 60, enter, divide by 6, enter, negative 0.291. The back of the book may have the decimals, but it may not. If it doesn't have the decimals, you have to do this. I can take the square root of 60, I can break it down into 4 times 15, and so that makes 2 square roots of 15. And so I rewrite it over here as 6 plus or minus 2 square root 15 all over 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, plus or minus 2 divided by 6 is 1/3, so square root 15 over 3. This is probably more along the lines of what the back of the book has on 87.